baby. I have a dream.
Making banana bread. So exciting. Michelle gave me this recipe, my #1 fan, so we're gonna get started. We have to preheat the oven to 350. Come along. Next, we have to grease and flour an 8x4-inch loaf pan. The loaf pan here, stick of butter from the refrigerator. It's gonna grease it. So it's nice and buttered. Now we're gonna flour it. I don't know how to flour it. I think I did it. Next part is mix in a small bowl, mix flour and salt. So we got the flour here. Then I already pre-measured some salt, so it asks for half a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna put that in and mix. Okay. Next, mash bananas in another bowl. So, we got our bananas here. They're kind of gross. I'm just gonna mix them in the bowl. So we got one peeling. Just got one in here. One, got two. Oh my god. And we're gonna mash them in the bowl. I really don't know how to mash bananas. Jeez. Okay. Okay. I think I mashed it enough, don't you think? It says to whisk. We're gonna try the whisk attachment first, but if it doesn't work, we're going to try something else. So the next part is whisk together mashed bananas, baking soda, butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and eggs. Okay, so we got the mashed bananas in there. Baking soda. Got the melted butter here. Sugar. Got our brown sugar here. Extract and 2 eggs. So 1, 2, and then you whisk it together. You're gonna have this thing. And the recipe doesn't say to add cinnamon, but I'm going to add cinnamon anyway. Fold in flour mixture until just combined. So the next thing is to fold in the nuts, seeds, and chocolate chips. I didn't have enough walnuts, so I put in some cashews instead. We'll see how it goes. That. We got a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. And then we have chocolate chips. So my Target ran out of chocolate chips because everyone's baking during this quarantine, so I'm using these lovely unicorn chips from Nestle. They're vanilla flavored. Fold it in there. So the next part is to pour the batter into the loaf pan. So you're going to pour it in. Spread it out evenly. This is what it looks like. So the next part is just to add toppings. So it wants me to add a sliced banana on the top and other garnishes. So you got another banana here. Okay. I'm just going to put it here. sliced banana on top. I think we'll do like a 6. So you want to sprinkle the chocolate chips or the unicorn chips on top. Oh, that's too much. I don't like that. Sprinkle it on. So beautiful. I think this is too much. Oh, I think that's good. Okay, just gonna. Oh dear. Oh my god. I'm just gonna push it up. Next, we're gonna bake this for an hour. So we're gonna open up the oven. Close it. For 1 hour. Let you know how it turns out. It's all done. Would you look at that? Beautiful, magnificent, amazing. Thank you so much, Michelle, for the video request. And the recipe. It looks beautiful. We're gonna come into this now. Let's see how it is.
The next one is A major. Alright. We have going better say A major.
I'm trying. Thank you to, oh shoot. Thank you to Michelle for this recipe.
They were like, Sk8, you been slagging now. I just been laughing, writing all these bars as the time fucking passing by. They asked why you do it, why you take the chance. I smiled at them, told them music is my romance.